Hello, hola, konnichiwa. It's been a while, but I'm back with a really nice unboxing video for you from YesStyle. So I have a little mini haul of skincare that I want to share with you. So let's get to it. Said mini haul, I literally meant mini, and they sent everything very compacted in this tiny box, which is really nice. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Everything from YesStyle came completely wrapped, really nice. So I appreciate that, and I hope all the products are fine because it came all the way to Japan. That's in the bag. Some samples came in as well, and I can't wait to show you what I got. Let's get to it. First item that I got is the vitamin fruit serum from From, and I actually got introduced to this brand by a previous purchase that I didn't get to share with you guys. It's a rice toner. There it is, and I'm obsessed with this rice toner. Haven't used much of it, but I love brightening ingredients. And this one has sea buckthorn, which is what they call the vitamin fruit, and that's where it gets its name from. And I'm really loving the other product, and I thought, why not? And this one actually came for free because of the YesStyle influencer program, and it was an add-on, and I was like, oh my god, this is great. So I added to the cart at the last minute, and it's set to use with the vitamin 3 water gel. I have my iPad here for reference as to what you should do with it, and I'm just opening to show you how it looks like. I'm going to be starting using this right away, and it looks, this is the bottle, and it actually looks really nice. And let's try this one out because I'm going to use it pretty soon. It doesn't have any particular scent, but this is how it looks. They explained on the website that this is the yellow color that it should have because, oh, it actually has a really nice scent. It's very mild, but it's like mild fruity. I thought it would be citrusy because it contains vitamin C, like a high concentration, I think. And this is great for brightening the skin, and I think I'm also going to use it in my hands in general because it's an antioxidant, so that is one great deal. So I got that one for free, but it actually retails for $27 on the website, and you can find it on YesStyle. They ship globally, so that's pretty cool. What is from Sulwhasoo? I really don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but I just kind of been interested in this brand, and I thought the packaging was really cute, and I wanted like something for anti-aging, reducing fine lines and wrinkles, and this item here promises to do that. So I'm not gonna open it just yet because I'm not gonna be using it right away, but it's definitely some beautiful packaging. Looks like nail polish. This is the mini size of 50 ml. I forgot to tell you how much the vitamin fruit serum mls, how many mls it has. I think it has 30 mls, but it's not written anywhere, so I'm gonna assume it's 30 for the size because this one's like kind of half. Anyways, this is 15 ml, and it is written in the package. So probably this one is also written in the package. And I'm all over the place here. Yeah, 30 ml. Oops, sorry about that. And yeah, the packaging is cute. It says that it has a complex called JAUM. It's a balancing complex that boosts the firmness of the skin with this formulation, and it nourishes your skin and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines for a healthy looking complexion. It can be used in the morning and evening. As far as I know, it doesn't contain any like retinol or a vitamin C or anything that you have to worry about in terms of sun exposure. So it seems like a really nice product that you can use as an add-on, and that it seems that it won't be interacting with other things that you use in your skincare routine. So I will report back if you like once I've started using this. Honey Glow Cream, also from From. Most of the haul actually came from From, and I was leaning forward because I was going to check out the price. This one retails for about $22 US dollars, and the description in the box is actually quite cute. it says, I'm from Honey Glow Cream contains Honey Glow Queen, that is the essential proprietary ingredient, and it improves sensitive skin and makes tired skin glowing to look healthy, gives a radiance that resembles flaps of wings of graceful queen bee to your skin with honey serum that works best when skin looks tired. As you can see, I like brightening ingredients, so I decided to go for this. So I'm gonna open the box off camera and then show you what's inside. This is how the Honey Glow Cream looks, and let's see if it's, oh, it has a little seal. This is the texture. I don't know if you can see it there. Looks really nice, and I plan to start using this right away. I love brightening ingredients or products because I tend to have little marks of acne. I don't have acne, but it's like when I get my spots or breakouts, then I always get hyperpigmentation, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, and products like this, like the rice water toner, just are godsend to me. So yeah, I think I already told you the price, but just in case I didn't, it retails for $22 around, $21 to $22 depending on the discounts available on the site. And I have a discount code as well that I will share with you in the description box. And I also got 2 mini honey masks. One was I paid for it, and the other one was a free gift. I don't know why they were giving them away, but I was happy to get an extra one. And this mini honey mask retail for like $6 or so. I think that's what I paid for it. And I just bought the masks in small size because I am not a person who does masks so frequently, so I don't want them to go bad. And I wanted a hydrating mask, and I thought, well, I'm getting the honey cream, so I might as well get a mask, a little thing. And then I got an extra one at checkout, and I was really surprised, and I was very happy about it. So yeah, and I also have 2 more products left. This is the Cosrx Acne Pimple Master Patch, and I love these things. This is my second one of these, and they have like different sizes. I'm not gonna open it because I haven't opened one upstairs, which I should have probably shown you, but I'm not gonna open it because I don't want to break the seal. But it has different sizes so depending on the size of your pimple, you can choose to put. It's like a hydrocolloidal patch, and it doesn't have any actives or active ingredients or anything in there. It just helps you to not pick on it, and that also helps for less hyperpigmentation in the end, which is my issue. And it also helps heal faster because it would extract the fluids through the hydrocolloidal gel covering. So that is really great about this product. So if you can get your hands on it, highly recommend it for the occasional pimple, or if you have more pimples or acne or whatever, you can also use it. It's wonderful. Product that I got, I will show you some samples that I got as well, but this is the last big size, full size product that I got. Is the eye cream, the Ginseng eye cream, and this is 30 grams of eye cream, which is quite a lot for an eye cream, and you can actually use it on your face as well. That's what I was reading on the actual website, which I don't have it open anymore. But it says here in the description that it contains 6-year-old red ginseng essence, and it makes eye area firm and tight, adhering to the skin so the skin looks shiny and healthy. And this is something that I actually want for my eyes because I have like hooded eyes. So for me, keeping this area here tight and firm is super important, like especially the upper eyelid. Like I don't care much about the fine lines and wrinkles and whatever, they're gonna come and they're there, but I want to keep my hooded eyes as firm as possible. So definitely using this product is one of the things that I'm really looking for. I'm currently using other eye products. Here you can see how it looks. 30 grams for an eye cream, that's a lot. And I plan to share this with my husband because he doesn't currently use any eye creams, but I managed to get him to use sunscreen every day and moisturize twice a day. So we're getting there to creating him a skincare routine. 3 samples, And now for the free samples. Yes, that always generally includes free samples when you buy Korean beauty. And I got something called a cool pore tightening. Tightens and large pore with cooling effect. This sounds super intriguing. From a brand called Kaolion. Okay, I've never heard of any of these two brands, so it would be interesting to try them and see what's up. And this one is called Aromatica. Here you go. So you can see it. I don't know if you have tried it, just leave me a message in the comments and so I can know if it's any good. But it has a cream with hyaluronic acid and collagen, and a serum which mostly is hyaluronic acid, hyaluronic solution is what is written, and 1% vitamin B5, which sounds actually quite amazing. So yeah, this is the one that has the vitamin B5, and this is the one that has the hyaluronic acid and the collagen. I'm not a big fan of collagen products because they don't really do that much, but it's great to have samples and try new things. That was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this mini haul. I'm gonna be focusing mostly on skincare and makeup. I don't think there will be that much hair content because then the account will be like too much. So I think I decided to just kind of like, you know, compress the area of scope. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like it, comment, tell me what you want to see more. Tell me if you want to still see hair content, because I know some of you have subscribed because of the hair content. And yeah, I think that's all for today. So sayonara and subscribe. Bye, beautiful.